everyone, here today. And today's video, I'm going to be doing a firing test on the Adventure Force Hypershot. Something I've forgotten to do for a very long time. Just so you know, this is what it looks like. Let's see if we can get this in the view. So it holds 2 darts and then 1 dart in the firing chamber. This is unmodified, so it's a stock blaster essentially. And basically the rules of this is I'm going to take 3 shots based on how many shots I have here. I'm going to do leveled shots, so it's going to be more like this. And I'm just going to go with the highest and the lowest, maybe the median, if any. And go from there. Also, if you hear any construction or noises, there's a house being built in this area, so just so you know. Oh god, I'm throwing like crazy. Alright. And one last thing, from that tape measure all the way down about there, where the stones finally end, or close to that black garbage can. All from there, to this, where I'm standing here is about 55 feet. So from that yellow brick, which holds all the tape measures crap, all the way down to where I'm standing is 55 feet max. Alright, first shot. Leveled, first try. Wind is about 3 to 4 miles per hour. Second shot. Pretty good, pretty good. Third shot. Oh, that went way far off. I'm gonna probably do that one again. Nope, wrong one. That'll work. If it goes, and here's the other thing, if it goes way off course, I'm just gonna do it again. Fourth attempt. Alright, I'm gonna take a look. So this blaster, from where I was standing to over there, first dart went, I want to say 31 feet. Let's see, the second one went 39.5 feet. It was right on the line for halfway between 14 and 15 feet, based on that tape measure, plus the 25 feet here. And then the last one was just a tad bit further, so it's like about 42 feet. This blaster has a potential, but in windy situations this may not work.